Good morning, your mother is here. So video no more je record and then jiram bio jago yo bio jaka kaiden. Kaiden la fanan chijan. Kang dang. So ngan men goro balara method. Actually, I saw a video online and it's the second video right now ka kaiden. Okay? And I have a question. So question da ne. She lar ka video do dan o jin tika access ko yet. And then te ram da dien mit ke access go yet as well. So jiran mit ke access dan mi ram nga yero dun yen je. Nga yen te lad yen ke na everything. So nguchi jako shibi wani jin gwa da na te thino. Bia ora yen je biteke meeting shi mati ke access o. Bi kulu jogo and constitution and dana take ayo shitul. Kadwa badan shitul ke je jane. Ngutale Koran miti ke access karan. She very hard o jini de take meeting ke je. So it's a public at the end she gor. I think you should go to yet and have a meeting with him. And then be amadan and go yana be yana lad. Secondly, she laran and a jana scammer. Mishamni yonat. So jana mi charge yo dab shell ba yo bakawa ba kan balana katode. Na mo ba mi shi ngaje no, shi ko ngaje on constitution and taka ayo she gur che follow, right the alter lat ka ayo che ka follow. So jan zato che ra isolate kan ideal. Isolation na dien zato gor ne obne ngaje na isolation ta ga jan o yedo. Ko ngan fo na ngan nyamo da me cha ra ke je personally. Te meeting cha hoten te ten ba ra je kana. So gurne obi be explain shangan yamot guro be explain and isolation adan and teethen. Maybe we don't know con the rest of the IO support at the Kokian Shijan. So we want to know that Madadian origin being ajo and IO Shijan government self-care. Ramadan and Gurkono bukono much fresher. A self-care mayardid. So na ideality matakandor, you never know we yedon kuro isolate canal. Jene high risk guadan and teethen. So tell a ramada to us. A shanke do yede laro 100% roda isolate da right canati. Tinga jene tonu canati buraike jayani ka do bandan and gore. She may genetic access ke jo. Manadi shay gul to us that way. Jen kuilo mo access ke jo. She kulu kujo and ramen cha mo access beben expose ka public media. She amaleli at that mean you exposing your friend. She So people should know. Or me lad door. Maybe you backfired. She jinata jin kaideng. She wrote backfired jin karwadun. Ne your friend she jibunga than more. Because you collecting information and then you exposing them to people in public. Huh? Titoni she can go gan mad. Ajana kwai leben jogane yen garden answer. Kuluma ayo buguro badag. La tuoga kaye. She jin kaideng. In the history of Nuergorio and Io Badaka Kudu, Balarame Rame took Dagayo e Kaden. Why are you exposing Ramacha Kambomo? Con eti gurneo yeda roda expose yan karade. Tala Ramada roda involved Jamaica teaching ajo yede illa the teacher. So and yen may be a boy quara. Chabajan karade. Larka jagatil ko jen second to Gan Mashar. Mandadian and Goro Bilarajan Kaden Fondu. Raja Jojo Jin uyed is not capable, uyed she leader Mugwa, uyed a scammer, uyed a roda isolate. So Raja Jitame, Jojo Jin you campaigning. O Jin de ya guadanto yet and uyed wood de lanajithan. So Jin berar clearly and tell us, o yen supporters I o the altar to we mon kelu. Chagwijo yet she a capable leader. I'm contesting. Goro bagwa yede banang. And it's done like that. So bine ku gwijo hell. You capable leader or jini de la gwa yede or not. But you ku gwijo I support we mon kandial. Madadin yen gan wara goro bi yenangach. She dung wara karodian. You don't have to come out proudly and talk bad about someone which Allah the your own leader. So leader Jala jalar katido ngana lada me shiano gor. Kana madan and chane na members di alkaje milade lamijiag. Charan wuiko ramkel karwade be ban baka social media every day and night lado rame jiaga. She jan wajala woikaran. So mugwejio yedaba wuj because of your say, my brother you joking. She jan. So chabel wo ka right do ko te mi ladi long ko ku ye do ko jinity ka access ke je. It will never happen. Ayo madani jurdi al ka South Sudan. So right di jin ka rado ye di ga schema chamani yo to de jani constitution che follow and everything else. It doesn't work like that. So jin miti ku contest ko jin go recede dan ta yeden ber dogri ber clear واضح بالواضح كده بالنهار تعالي قول لنا انه ويد ما داير انه كي ويد انا ما داير ويد انا داير نكون في السيد ده عديل to be a leader of IU بنا يكون ngajo كي دنگو سيد ده انت من تو ويدن and that is clear and facts then obi berar you embarrassing us as a Nuer community as well. Kona me embarrassment and melody and yanga Nuer. And it's not acceptable. Obi yen wagala gijala mo. Chara the Lord. So ngan right na kay deng yo. I don't need jayani to be bani ba medadian ba ban yo matin. So na me miss you work a jijan my brother kay deng. So ayo she a part of mo kane jala gato wishara. A part of me take a jike, a part of moika support money young money tad, nadial moika support. So there is no reason. Karano barrage. You just have to talk. Tell a vase down a year the road within. So she yamot, I want you to come and tell us clearly ongan I'm contesting o go ba yet ba wo you quarter more. Mates and a michu quara na yo. And then baku ngajane dialo raji jela raji social media ga ku yedi chamani yo ijane a fail leader and then tell a mingajan constitution ayo che follow. Baku ngajo jin raji no guru no guata yet and tell a rambile ria de kuidu. But me the and balari 2 yen jayo ten kula nor ragatong nor yen when it dini yen ten kula senior leader. You guys have to follow this. Kogoro bi atake riet ko kuide. Ko na chaga biya falkatin dual dana la dual ke yen wari yo mi chiran mi jiek balad bene dial bukan job. It doesn't make sense. So when job mo ajen lenyen kon diala ka yera tala ramala ka kapten. So duor mi chanen kare uki ka dioga la kap katen ba tara ngal ngaji ngu. Then obina ko ro later on ka mi share too late. So na me ta charo de nyu kare and that's it. Ajen la rana me. People are very tired ke yen gadi jikan. And it's too much. You guys should understand. Gwarun is zero. She gwar. So okay, then you been alive, nishyang, and then you have to come and embarrass people and then talk shit about someone mukula lead. It doesn't make sense. Jin mugoro be a leader ka ayo. It's not like that. Te duping one along to there ben gejin yam. Sa? She o jin be ben embarrassed ni jen ramen kula acting chairman. It doesn't work like that. Ni ngan nyomodo mugoro be la party ayo mugoro be la acting chairman. She the right ngamadan. I have to lay it some information. Kana ladda dana da balad kan ngamasalan. Kade ratin za do ngana goro be bagwa yeda banang. That's it. So jin kay then you have to tell us mugoro no gwa yeda deal kede. Lari na ko gweje guru no gwa yeda tell me da di na ladi. And thank you very much. You're ambioling. Thank you. Bye.